Hello webtalkers, I hope everyone is doing well. I wanted to introduce myself. My name is Micheal Reid. I was hired today by Antonio to try to help you out a little bit on some things we notice. Now let's take a look at the bell in the top right corner. You may have noticed you receive a message to your profile post, but to your surprise when you went to the post it was nothing there. Try clicking in your profile post twice. It seems it was in a separate message area just for your profile pic. Do you all see it? Great. Well, I don't have much time, so I would like to leave a word with our new webtalkers. Once you sign up and you make your first post, please allow your comment to be public. That way I'm able to connect with you and help you right away. Hey webtalkers, can you all please leave me a rating 1 to 10? Try to give me a 10 so they don't fire me tomorrow. I just got the job. I wish everyone has a nice day. Depending on your rating, you'll see me later. Thanks for watching.